Today's office buildings are full of complex mechanisms. When something goes wrong, it can be disruptive and expensive.
What? When?
What's going on?
Chiller 2 just failed. We're gonna have to shut the building down, do repairs, emergency repairs. We're gonna have to send everybody home.
I wish there was a way to tell us what's going to happen before it became an emergency.
Well, now there is. The Maryland Department of General Services has created an office that uses technology to monitor building equipment remotely and see how it's working. Here, the Computerized Maintenance Management System's Operations Center receives a steady flow of data from sensors attached to air handlers, motors, chillers, and other equipment that keeps modern office buildings operating. Rick Tyson is Building Systems Manager, responsible for getting those sensors installed.
To see how well things are running, we can now put sensors on, like these, onto vital pieces of equipment to see their real-time status and information.
These small, standalone sensors are powered by batteries, and some can even draw energy from the room to power themselves. Wirelessly, they gather and send to the internet information on the equipment's temperature, vibration, and humidity. The data they generate can be monitored on site or from virtually anywhere. If a sensor shows a potential problem, staff can then use more sophisticated diagnostic tools like these to see how bad it is. These handheld devices can pinpoint trouble through infrared and ultrasound scans of the equipment, detecting subtle changes that are far beyond the human senses. This information too goes to the internet, where it can be analyzed to see if there are any trends or patterns. Each piece of equipment can be given a QR code, which is a unique identifier that allows facilities management staff to scan it and get all the details about that asset on their handheld devices. They can pull up repair history, schematics, and other information to help them service the equipment. It is the ability to gather data, track changes over time, and quickly find out how something is working that makes this a game changer for building management. Margaret Fisher is the director of the DGS Computerized Maintenance Management System unit.
What this data helps us to do is to do preventive maintenance and predictive maintenance. We have a central warehouse of data now.
Condition monitoring is a best practice in the building management world, and for the first time, Maryland is creating a system that uses such information to keep buildings running with fewer costly surprises.
And we take this collective data and then analyze what is happening at each of the buildings. Our Catonsville Courthouse, we had a sensor. We were able to look at the vibration from the sensor, and it said, hey, there's a problem, you need to address it immediately. We had staff go on site and look at the piece of equipment. They also took our predictive tools with them. They went and purchased a grease gun and some grease, which was roughly $60. Now, if we did not do this preventive maintenance at this time, it could have cost DGS and the state maybe $7,000 or more to fix this problem if it was left unattended.
When fully built out, the DGS Computerized Maintenance Management System's Operations Center will be the hub for data analysis and predictive maintenance. It will make building management go from reactive, waiting for something to go wrong, to proactive, anticipating and even preventing a problem in the first place. It will increase the lifespan of costly equipment. It will also save energy as it keeps equipment operating efficiently. All this improves customer service and makes building occupants happier. And it saves Maryland taxpayers a great deal of money. The DGS Computerized Maintenance Management System, a better way to manage Maryland's facilities.